I like working at Paultons because every day is different. Working in the gardens, you get to really learn something every day, and the way the grounds and the gardens look are really impressive. You get a lot of feedback from the public, and the public, the way it's received from the public, they really love the park, and it's been voted #1 theme park in the UK for 3 years on the run, and so that's something to really be proud of.
Working at Paultons I find is really enjoyable. Each day you come here it's completely different. You could be weeding an area on one day, the next day we could be doing a large project or cutting topiary. There's so many plants, different knowledges of things, so you're learning something new every day throughout the whole time you're here. But for me, being a senior gardener here, it's slightly different. So I go around finding jobs for the rest of our team to do. It could work out from mowing an area at Pepper. There's areas that need to be done early in the morning as well, so it's working out different timings. Cutting topiary, there's plenty of other jobs there. If it's bad weather as well, it's also finding jobs that we need to do on those kind of days. So more of an indoor job, maybe sorting out polytunnel work or weeding certain areas that we can do whilst it's wet.
To be a gardener here, you need a good knowledge of gardening, but also a willingness to learn on the job. There's a lot of good gardeners here that are happy to teach you and help you along the way. Also communication, but yeah, just eagerness to work hard and get involved, and yeah, just enjoy.